Twitter is one of the most famous social media platforms. It is popular because it allows users to follow and talk with their favorite idols and celebrities quite easily. Well, there are many hidden features in Twitter which most users don't even know about. In today's video, we're going to tell you the 10 best Twitter features that you should use in 2022. Number 10. Limit replies to tweets. Twitter has a feature that can help you in avoiding all the unwarranted drama. And it's one of those Twitter features that you will be happy to have on your hand. When you are writing your tweet, you can click on the Everyone Can Reply button to select the options of only people you follow can reply. You can even choose to restrict replies to people that you are mentioning in your tweet. Number 9. Use Twitter Spaces to connect with your audience. You might have heard about Clubhouse. Well, Twitter also has its own Clubhouse-like feature. It is called Twitter Spaces, and it works in the same way as Clubhouse rooms work. You can develop your own space to talk with your followers, or you can join spaces hosted by people you follow. You can join discussions and also connect with new people. Spaces is a great way to connect with your audience on a more human level, and it can help you in growing your following as well. Number 8. Super follows on Twitter. Whether you're a creator or following your favorite YouTuber, super follows will be a useful tool. For creators, super follows gives a way to earn monthly income from the conversations. On the other hand, people who use super follows to connect with their favorite creators will get access to exclusive content, which is extremely great. However, super follows are only available to suitable users in the United States. Number 7. Segmented topic-wise list. If you are following a lot of individuals on Twitter, your feed could become one massive trash of information. You can also lose track of important stuff in these situations. Well, you can use Twitter tips and tricks like topic-wise lists to simplify your social life by creating topic, interest, or influencer-based Twitter lists. Number 6. Understanding your audience. Twitter provides you with actionable information about your tweets in the analytics section. You can learn about the whole impressions, engagement, or link clicks that your tweet has obtained over a specific durations of time. This is one of the best Twitter things to increase your reach on Twitter. Number 5. Save tweets to bookmark. Twitter has released a new feature which makes it quite easy to save the tweets you like. Twitter's new bookmark feature allows you to save a tweet so that you can use it later. Just tap on the share button and tap on the add tweet to bookmarks button to save that tweet for later on. You can also do the same thing on the web app of Twitter as well. Number 4. Scheduled tweets. While earlier it was only possible to schedule tweets from the TweetDeck app, Twitter now allows its users to schedule tweets right from the official Twitter website as well. When you are inventing a new tweet, just click on the calendar icon to set a date and time. Your tweet will be shared automatically according to the scheduled setup. Here are the ways you can follow to do it. Go to the TweetDeck website. Once you have logged in with your account informations, click on the tweet button and then on the scheduled tweet button. Now just type your tweet and set the time by using the date and time selector. Once you save it, your tweet will be shared publicly at the selected time. Number 3. Social media highlights. Well, if you're not a fan of the Twitter universe, the company has made the social highlights of the day available on the homepage of the platform. This means even when you're not signed up or logged into Twitter, you can get access to the different events happening in the world through the different news feeds on the homepage of the platform. Number 2. Mute accounts activity. To mute a Twitter account, you have to go to the person's profile and tap on the 3 dots present next to the follow button. Then you'll find the mute options. You can click on the same to stop seeing their tweets and acquiring push notifications for their account. To see the accounts you have muted, you can go to Setting and Privacy option, then Muted Accounts and see the complete list. You can also unmute accounts right from here. Number 1. Twitter notification sleep settings. If a phone number has been added to your Twitter account, then you can adjust the time durations so that you don't receive any type of mobile notifications from the platform. If you have linked a phone number to your account, you can go to the sleep settings. You can choose the start and stop time options if you don't wish to receive any notifications on your phone. Set the time durations for which you don't like to receive notifications and hit the save button to stop notifications from reaching you. With that being said, it's time to end our video. Make sure to hit the red subscribe button to get our latest updates. We will see you soon. Thanks for watching.